This is Uzafa for my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about we never met anyone just by an accident. Even if you are watching this video, then you are not watching this video by accident, but it is the universe that is guiding you to watch this video, to involve. So you don't meet anyone by accident. Everyone comes to your life for serving purpose. It's by the universe. It's by the higher consciousness. It's by higher self. Universe wants you to have that person in your life, and that person will stay in your life no matter what happens, no matter whatever may be the circumstances or whatever may be your situation, but that person will be and won't go anywhere from your life. I started this YouTube journey in the year 2018. Now it is 2 years, and since 2 years I have never been supported by my family members, by my friends and other colleagues. I have already been criticized, I have been tortured, I have been bullied, but still I believe in myself and I continue this journey. And those people who were there in 2018 are now not with me in 2020. And I always let go of society's expectation. I don't work according to the society, but I work according to myself, according to my belief. I create my own journey, I create my own path to success. I don't think that success only comes when you are having high fame, money, glory, etc. But success journey happens when you are on the right path, doing right thing at the right time. What you are thinking, what you are doing and what you are speaking is in accordance, is in proper alignment. Then success will be yours. Be yourself so much capable that fame, glory, money, success will chase you. Be yourself so much capable that money, fame, glory, success will chase you. You don't need to change, chase them, but they will chase you. Make yourself so much capable, make yourself so much great, so much skillful, so much powerful. That must be the motto of your life. And I have started this channel not with the imagination or with the thinking of having a huge following. I started this because it is my passion, because I cannot live without creating a video any single day. No matter it's my working place. It's my working place where I am making the video, but I am so much into making this stuff, into making this content, into creating this content, inspiring people, right? Not to give up on your dreams, because dreams do come true, and it is true. It happens, and in my case also it is happening. I am the one person who has at one point decided to give up, to suicide, to get rid of this life. I was a person who was not thinking the life is not good, but now circumstances thinking do change, and now I'm sitting in front of yourself and motivating you not to give up on your life, on your dreams, but chase them. Make everything happen. Everything is in your hands. We are 100% responsible for everything that happens in our life. So in this life journey, we don't meet people by accident, but people come into your life serving you some purpose, serving you some help to become your greatest version. So if you are finding someone is leaving you, let go of it. Just think that this person might not be fitting in my life, so just let go of it and move ahead. Let go of all those things which cannot which you cannot accomplish. You have tried hard, but still you are not able to accomplish. There might be some reason. That's the reason that thing is not being attracted to you or not coming into your life. So let go of it. Why this negativity shit happens? Because people always think that they are not enough, they are lacking. They are thinking of some high goal and they are not able to accomplish that goal, which makes them think of negativity, negative emotions, envy, jealous, anxiety, fear, stress, all comes. Let me give you an example of celebrity. Do you think that celebrity is having huge fan following, is having earning in millions? Are they happy? You can check yourself. They are not happy, still having so much in their life. Why? Because they are not surrounded with the people they love. They are not doing what they love. That's the reason they are suffering. I already made a video about life journey of Sushant Singh Rajput, in which he clearly explains that money, fame and glory, when you achieve, it will not make any difference, but happiness and contentment will make you rich. Happiness and contentment will help you to become the greatest version. It will help you to be happy and content throughout your life, doing what you love, right? So make yourself so much capable that all these outcomes will be yours: success, fame, glory, money. Don't chase them, but work for yourself, work for money, and they will chase you. So the motto of this talk was: people don't come or don't meet to you just by accident. They are there for the purpose, right? Let welcome you, let welcome that new people. And even in that path, if your old friends and family are getting distracted or getting are leaving, then let go of them. This was a message from my end. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.